Hi everyone and welcome back. I'm at it again creating another Tkinter form, but this time I created a candy survey, and in this candy survey you can see that I have everything in my folder CMPR final part 2. If I open it up, all the files that you need are here available. I have my candy database, my candy survey PY. I've got two pictures. One is an icon of a heart and the other one is my transparent of candy. On the actual program here, you can see I created a window, made the title Candy Survey, added my icon, and added my photo. I also added a code here to connect to my database, which I called CandyDB. I have an entry here for first name, last name. I also have questions. Question 1 is which sour candy is the best? I have question 2, which chocolate bar is the best? And it goes on to 3, 4, and 5. Now below that are my submit buttons. I have a submit button, an exit button, and then under the submit answers, it is to calculate each of those answers to add 20 points. And depending on how many questions are answered, and especially if they're answered correctly, it will add up 20 points for each. And if something is answered incorrectly, it will not count that 20 points. Here I have the connection to the database where it inserts the first name, last name, and the score. I should receive a message that will tell me what I had entered, which is the first name, last name, and the percentage of the score. And then it will go ahead and allow me to exit when I hit the exit button, and it will destroy the window, which means the window will close. This is a fairly large form, so my geometry is 2000 by 1500. And I did add some color as well, so I used dark sea green. And let's go ahead and run this program. When I click on start, the program will pop up. And we can start by writing the first name. So we're going to start by writing Candy, and then last name Apple. I'll go ahead and select Lemon Heads, Almond Joy, Red Chocolate, and Good and Plenty. As you can see here, here's the picture I added. I'm going to click on Submit. I'm getting my confirmation. My first name is Candy, last name is Apple, and 20% of the form has been completed. I hit OK, and then I select Exit, and that should close out the form. From here, we can go ahead and check on my database and see what was entered in. And as you can see here, I already created a Candy database with a table for first name, last name, and score. And if I refresh this, you should see it's all entered here. Candy, Apple, and 20 for my score. Well, that concludes my promo. I hope to add more videos on here for you guys to watch. Have a good night.